Alright guys, good afternoon guys. Wala naman tayo magawa sa bahay guys. Kahapon doon tayo sa Civic. By the way pala guys, shout out kay Mr. Roski channel. Magkapunta tayo sa Pantalan guys, kasi may nagpipising doon guys. Tingnan natin mo ng tubig. Mukhang magpa-high tide guys. Shout out kay Roski channel. Si Omar Isti guys, si Amado sa Sacramento, California guys. Si Mami Ibilin Reno, Nevada. Shout out. Kaya dito naman tayo ngayon sa tabing dagat. Tumitingin-tingin kung anong magandang activities dito ngayon guys. Pero mag-try tayo doon sa banda doon. Doon tayo magpunta doon. Okay, let's go muna guys. Tingnan natin ang doon kasi mag-alas 4 na guys. Ayan, 4:03. Okay, let's go. Mr. B, this is the bunker, Japanese bunker before in Scanwood War, bro. See, look. Ibu bunker, Japanese bunker. And on the side, that's the hotel is already closed. Kaya dito tayo mag-try, bro. Kung ano mahuli natin dito. And this is my how many years I don't fishing this place, right? And I doon sa may Pantalan. Kaya dito tayo dito tayo guys, kasi makapag-hiding tayo diyan sa sa pantry habang tayo tatapon ng tayo ng tinapay dito guys. See, look, Mr. B, the batoltak. Hindi makikita, Mr. B. Okay lang yan guys. Alright, continue natin guys. Shout out again kay Roski channel guys. Thank you for comment, bro. And Junior, thank you, bro. Let's go. So we have the 2 kids to come to me. I know I can catch now. See, he want to check me I catching already or not. Yeah, I catching already, but small size, nothing big size now. You catch already? Why you don't try?
I don't have a hard time catching. It's not working.
Even that guy. That's why you always moving. You cannot catch that one.
Wait, so how do you?
That's why you sit down and throwing your bread and with the. See, you already you know already, right?
Yeah.
You sit down and then. Yeah. See. And we have another fisherman this side. Isko lang guys, continuous na natin guys kasi mamaya yan guys, may kakagat na yan. Alright, see, let's go lang, continuous na natin guys. Guys, so but not big size guys. This still have catching. Kawama, mukhang malaki-laki ito guys. The same sizes guys. And we have another fisherman guys is catching too. And we have already many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the raining is coming guys for the Omar school guys. Alright, this is nothing guys. Habang kumakagat pa sila, mamaya uwi na tayo. So it's raining guys. Sikwi lang guys, pero come on mama, come on to mama. This one guys is big size, little big. Oh, come on mama, it's raining but continuous fishing guys. Come on mama. Medyo malaki-laki to guys. Oh, come on mama. Yan, medyo malaki-laki guys yan, may pieces already guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7 guys. Let's go lang habang kumagat pa sila guys, kasi mag alas 5:30 na. Nagtago na guys yung isang fisherman doon guys. Pero si Papa Gear guys, continuous lang. Excuse ko. Problema guys, lumabas ang isda natin. Kasi malaki itong umatak guys oh. Hop. Labasan ng isda natin guys. Hop. Come on mama. Puta, tumbag yung bakit natin dito sa kanya guys. Malakas na guys, umatak guys. Isong walang niya. Umuulan kasi guys eh. Nagkatalunan isda natin guys oh. Yun oh. Kaya kuha tayong tubig. Kuntis ko lang guys ha. Basa na ako. Sila guys. Ay bakit already pull down guys. And the raining still continuous bad weather guys. That's better maybe go home. Ay sira yung fishing natin guys. I don't know what happened now. So I raining strong. See, come on raining, go away. Ay good catching sana ganyan guys. Yan natin guys, ano pang activities natin dito. Let's go. Continuous ko lang guys. Pinanguman na ito, baka may kumagat sa ating linya guys ko sa Darwin. See, going strong. Up natin guys, grabe ng ulan oh. Saan na yung cellphone ko? Natin ngayon guys, kasi mukhang malaki ito. Guys oh, mukhang malaki ito ah. Kita yan. Ito mama. Oh mama. Guys, laki. Sama mama. Guys, uy. Yan. Oh, super malaki ng ulit guys. Grabe. Oh, yun na huli natin guys oh. Yan yung huli natin. Diba? Oh. Mas pa ito guys oh. Hindi naman masasinilas naman natin guys oh. Oh. Ganun din siya nakaraan. Enjoy lang guys. Kasi kahit kumuulan, tumitira pa rin tayo. Sa Umar, lugar ni Umar guys oh. Sa eskwela ni Umar dito. Alright, continuous lang. Alright. Guys, oh, supposed to be ay going guys, but still biting guys. I don't know this one, good size. So tingnan yan. Yan yun guys. Not bad na yan guys. At least yan yung huli natin guys oh. Not bad na yan. Continuous lang tayo guys. Okay, rain or shine guys. Kahit umuulan, continuous lang guys oh. Continuous lang natin guys. Grabe. Ayan ang kumagat guys oh. Yeah mama, come to mama. Papa still waiting for you mama. Ayan guys oh. Yan. Ayun. Oh, crab ng lalaki nila guys. Oh. Ha? Kailan na ba tayo dyan? Kasi lang medyo madilim-dilim na guys. Ayun oh. Nagkaumpukan na guys. Continue natin guys. Ayun oh. Alright, let's go Papa Cherry. Continue mo ba ito umuwi?